Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice, or as we like to call it on here, Eva! Today's topic is why voice acting is a large investment without a 100% guarantee. Now, that may sound scary, and to many like me without a lot of money to even begin to throw around, it is. But it's for a good reason. Acting as a whole has many investments without guarantee after all. This is a skill, and it will have a wildly different success rate for all that try to pursue it, based on factors that are hard to change, such as appearance, race, or sound of voice. Unfortunately, voice work is an even higher investment than simply acting. Not only do you have to work on your skill and drop some coin on that, you have to drop massive amounts of dollars on things such as microphones, preamps, interfaces, headphones, recording software, treatment, padding, and more on top of everything that has to do with acting alone. It's a very large investment of time and money that some people just can't seem to comprehend. I've seen this far too often. You get someone who has a bit of money to throw around and they decide they want to try out voice acting for whatever reason. They drop hundreds to thousands of dollars on equipment and all the fancy stuff, yet they don't really do much else. They expect that with their amazing audio quality, they'll just get all of the parts with little to no work involved. These kind of people just sit there for a week, waiting for these parts to come in, and when they get nothing in return, scrap the idea and put all of this equipment into a corner to collect dust while putting down the voice acting community with post after post. You know, I think these types of people are actually the same kind of people that think digital art isn't real art and that the computers do all the work for people. Anyway, the point I'm trying to make here is that acting and voice acting are passion professions. If you don't have the drive behind wanting to pursue it and wanting to get better, you're gonna get nowhere. And this is just my opinion on the subject matter, but if you're wanting to try out voice acting and are low on cash, or just don't want to drop that much on equipment, start cheap. Get the bare minimum and a quiet space. Get a closet with clothes in it. And you'll just have great audio, okay? You won't have the best audio, but you'll still have pretty good audio. Just be patient. Stardom and fame isn't gonna drop into your lap, and if the only reason you're getting into acting is to become famous, you're doing it wrong. Sure, it might be a nice side effect if it ever happens, but it shouldn't be your goal. Bettering yourself and your craft should be the first and foremost on your list of goals. And fame shouldn't be on there at all. It might be nice to have, you might want it, but it should not be a goal. As I keep stealing from Philip DeFranco, don't be stupid. Voice acting does make you drop a lot of money to get studio quality, or hell, actually renting out studio space still requires a lot of money. So just beware of that when getting into this. This is not an easy and quick turnaround investment thing. You may not see results for years to come, but if you keep at it, eventually you'll find something. Well, now that I'm done with that odd motivational speech, thank you for watching. Have any suggestions or requests for other Eva topics? Leave them in the comments below, or you can at me on Twitter. Creating love! Yep, still there. I'm more than happy to help with the best of my ability. This has been episode number 23 of Eva. Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content. We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!